everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a mitten ornament. So I grabbed a set of mittens at the Dollar Tree. They had these cute little black ones. They're just kid-sized mittens. Some fiberfill that I had in my stash. Different greeneries from all different places. A little strip of buffalo check ribbon. Some twine. And a snowflake from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I did was stuff the mitten with a little bit of the fiberfill. It doesn't have to be full. It just needs to be stuffed so it's not flat anymore. You don't want to overstuff it because it'll look funny. Then I took my hot glue and glued a piece of twine into the inside back of the mitten, and that's going to be our hanger. So I just glued one side of the twine on each side of the back of the mitten. And now we have the hanger. Next, I took the buffalo check ribbon and wrapped it around the wrist part. Oh, actually, first, just kidding. I stuffed it with the greenery first. I was going to wrap it, but I wanted to make sure that once I stuffed the greenery in there, it wasn't too thick and I didn't need a bigger piece of ribbon. So I stuffed all of the different picks that I had, and they're all from several different picks. I just kind of picked whatever ones I thought would look cute. And then I put a little bit more of the fiberfill in just to kind of fill out the wrist part of it and make it so that the picks weren't poking through the mitten. Then I wrapped the ribbon around. I did it this time. And I just hot glued it into place. And you can use any ribbon you want. I just chose to go with the buffalo check, black and white, because it matched the black mitten. But they have all different color mittens, so if you had a red one, you could use a different color. It's totally up to you. And once I had that all glued on, I kind of just pushed around the picks and the fiberfill a little bit. Then I took that piece of twine and wrapped it right on top of the buffalo check ribbon. And I just tied it in a bow, and I slid the snowflake onto that before I tied it. And I made sure that my ends were snipped well so that I could slide them both through. And then just tied it in a cute little bow. This is super cute. It's super easy. It didn't really cost me anything but the cost of the mittens. I already had the snowflakes and all the greenery and the ribbon and the twine. So really it cost me $1. And it's so stinking adorable. And I love homemade ornaments, so this is perfect. It has like a farmhouse kind of primitive feel, so I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.